Hello everyone, hi, my name is Weltha. Okay you guys, so today I'm gonna make a lazy girl breakfast. See? I have everything laid out here and this is what I'm gonna eat for breakfast today. And I don't feel like standing over the stove, so it's gonna be a lazy girl breakfast and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do right now, okay? Just a quick video on how I make my lazy girl breakfast when I don't feel like cooking. Okay, so first we're gonna move everything out the way. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put my patties down. Just gonna make breakfast. I have to work 3 12-hour shifts, so I'm gonna make my breakfast today for each day and just store it in a refrigerator. So when I wake up in the morning, I can just go get my breakfast and I'm done. And then, so next, that's for the sausage. And then for my eggs, you guys, I'm just gonna do this. Just add a cup of water, 1 cup of water, okay? And have my baked sunny up eggs. I don't feel like cooking. This is what I do for breakfast. Okay, and then I season my eggs. I'll put a little bit of seasoning on my sausage. And then in the oven, now I'm gonna put it in the oven, you guys. Okay, I got my oven set to 350 and we're gonna put this in the oven for like 30 minutes and then we'll check on it, okay? Okay, you guys, I forgot to put some parsley flakes on my eggs. I want them to look pretty too. So just put some parsley flakes on them. Okay? Alright, so now we just... Okay, so I added some more seasoning to the eggs and my parsley flakes also. Okay, so now just put that in there like that, you guys. Okay, and we're gonna let it cook for 30 minutes and then we'll check on it and see if we need to flip it. Okay, okay you guys, so it's been 30 minutes, so let's check on the breakfast. Voila, look at that. You see, you guys? Let me test my eggs. Okay. Okay, you guys. So the sausage and the eggs are ready. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is take the eggs. Just take each egg. Oops. It slipped away. Okay. So just gonna put the eggs in a plate. Then I'm gonna this is for my work week, so I'm gonna put them in a container, like 3 containers for work week. This will be for my work week, you guys, for my 3 12-hour shifts. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna get the sausage. I'll probably let them stay in a little too long. That's okay. It's okay for me. So this is my breakfast, you guys, for the week. I'll have my breakfast already ready. I like to prepare myself because in the morning I don't want to be searching for stuff. All right, so I'm gonna put this away and I'll give you the final shot. There you have it, sausage and eggs, a lazy girl breakfast. Enjoy, you guys.